Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. QNT, we're currently just watching if a low is already in. At this stage, we cannot really confirm it. There's only 3 waves up so far of the lows, so that doesn't really constitute a trend. Also, the price so far hasn't managed to push above these highs. And, I mean, it did hold the 50% fib level, but it's very weak. And it doesn't seem to really want to move higher in an impulsive fashion so far. So yes, it could be that this wave 5 of 1 is already unfolding. I mean, support was never broken, or you could say there was no sustained break, but I do not trust this move. What I have labeled here as wave 4 potentially is far too deep and long to be comparable to this wave 2. So I think we just need to be on the side of caution here. I have not really enough clarity in order, to say the low is in. So we need 5 waves up, 3 waves down. I can't see them at this stage. That still opens the door or involves the risk of still a larger degree wave 2 here, that we haven't bottomed yet and could actually indeed test that yellow box again between $60 and $80. That was the target range that we've been talking about for months. So it would be ideal to maybe even get there. Because as I said before, when we have a fib level like this one at $80 and the price doesn't really want to get there, the price doesn't even want to get there and then just turns around like a couple of dollars early. Sometimes they still go back and get it eventually. So that might be a reason for QNT's weakness at the moment, certainly underperforming compared to some other coins. So we just have to be on our toes here. I think this action doesn't demand any, or this price action so far doesn't demand any action, at least from a trading point of view. We are simply watching at least at the moment if 5 waves up can be created. If 5 waves up can form, then we can add support for wave 2. You can trade, of course, this support area, but it's let's say a higher risk one. And to be honest, you would only trade a 5th wave. So, as I said, the 1-2 setups are best, because then you have clarity to a degree that a low has been established and that the trend has shifted to the upside. At the moment, 3 waves up technically do not make this in any way different to what we did here, here, or here, even though it's a larger move, probably fueled by the overall, let's say, bullish sentiment in the crypto market. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, at the moment, sometimes you don't really get the clear subdivisions in crypto. So, I mean, can I rule out that this is already a wave 1? No, I can't rule it out. But obviously, we're watching for clear setups. To be honest, I don't see anything clear here. But overall, looking at the bigger picture and where we come from, I mean, it always is a question of time frame, right? We are already very close to a major support area. So, I mean, depends on your time frame. If you trade for the next bull market, I mean, this is overall the area, that is very close to support, where reward is high and risk is low. In the next step, to confirm that the bulls are leading here, the price needs to form 5 waves and ideally break above the region between 118 and 120 US dollars. That's the next major resistance range we have on the chart here. And also, I mean, we might even want to have here a little bit of a trend line that, as you can see, the price has been reacting to. So this is the very first step, getting above that trend line. That push could take us into that region between 118 and 120. That's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.